To integrate Trust Wallet with Ledger Nano, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a secure and seamless connection between the two devices. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile device and the Ledger Live application installed on your computer. Start by opening the Ledger Live app and connecting your Ledger Nano device to your computer using a USB cable. Then, navigate to the Manager section in Ledger Live and install the Ethereum app, as Trust Wallet primarily supports Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. Next, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and navigate to the Settings section. Scroll down and select the Wallet Connect option. You will see a QR code displayed on the screen. On your computer, open the Ledger Live app and navigate to the Accounts section. Click on the Add Account button and select Ethereum. Then, click on the Connect to Ledger Wallet option and scan the QR code displayed on your mobile device. Using the Ledger Live app, this will establish a connection between your Ledger Nano device and the Trust Wallet app. Once the connection is established, you will see your Ledger Nano account listed in the Trust Wallet app. You can now use the Trust Wallet app to manage your assets stored on the Ledger Nano device. Make sure to always keep your Ledger Nano device and computer in a safe and secure environment when using the Trust Wallet app. It is also essential to note that you should never share your recovery seed or private keys with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your assets. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely integrate your Trust Wallet with your Ledger Nano device.